हाय गाइस, दिस इज़ योर फ्रेंड ग्लैम गर्ल मेघा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ इंडिपेंडेंस डे वीडियो। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। So guys, I'm prepping my skin starting with Innisfree green seed serum before my makeup. I always use this. Next I'm going to use my favorite foundation, that is Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. The concealer which is from Swiss Beauty in the shade 01. And to set the concealer, I am using the Wet n Wild combo pack, which includes a banana powder and a bronzer. I'll set the concealer with this banana powder. So I'm using this palette. I'm taking this white shade as my base. I'm going to use the Nika K palette, and I'm going to use this orange shade in my inner corners to create the orange. I'm going to create a flat color on my eyes, so I'm taking this orange shade and putting it in my inner corners. The struggle is real, guys. I have to dip this eyeshadow so many times because the payoff was not that good. So I have did this, I guess, more than 5-6 times to build up this color. desired color which I was looking for. I'm going to start using the white color in between my eyes. I'm going to use the same white shade and I'll try to build it on my eyes. Building the white shade, now I will take this green color from the Makeup Revolution palette and I'll put it in my crease. Lot of efforts to build this color, guys, because this color was not showing up because the palette took a lot of time, the colors took a lot of time to show up. However, I did it and I'm so happy with the results. Hope you like this as well. So please give it a like if you like this video. On my lips I'm going to create the flag, so I'm using this Miss Claire lipstick. I will leave the details in the description box of the shade number. I'm going to use this as my base, and later on I will use the orange, white and green color on my lips as well. I'm going to create the same color thread color, tried making it on my eyelid. In this shade again from the Nika K palette, the orange one, and I'm trying to build it up on my lips until I get the desired orange color that I'm looking for, to create the orange color on my lips. Next I'm going, so I'm happy with the orange color on my lips. Now I'm going to use the white shade that I used on my eyelid, in between my lips, from the Now I'm going to use the green color. I've used the Makeup Revolution tool for the white color as well. Now I'm going to take this green color. That will be the last color to apply on my lips. And I will try to build up the shade. Happy with the lip color. I've painted my nails as well of the same color, as you can see, and even I've got the earrings, I've painted them in tricolor. I've got the plain hoops, I've colored them in tricolor. Hope you'll like this video, guys. I did a lot of effort, though I'm not a makeup artist, but I tried my level best to create this look. Hope you will like this video and give it a like, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगे होंगे। तो प्लीज आप सभी को हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे मेरी तरफ से और मेरे परिवार की तरफ से। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो और मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगे होंगे तो आपको प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक कीजिएगा ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं कोई भी वीडियो डालूँ तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। तो फिर मैं आपको मिलती हूँ मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय।